Well, matagal ko na sinasabi ito even during the time na binubuo pa lang yung rice tariffication law na yan. Eh sinasabi ko na dangerous yung move to let go of the rice industry and give it to the hands of the private businessmen. Because alam naman natin sito, since time immemorial, sabi nga ng cliche, no? Ang rice industry actually hawak ng mga private businessmen. At ang participation lang ng gobyerno in the past was just to stabilize the price, the buying price of palay and the selling price of rice through the National Food Authority. Ang problema natin dyan, merong mga bright na mga tao na akala nila yung pagbaha ng imported na bigas sa palengke ng Pilipinas ay magiging dahilan para bumagsak ang presyo ng bigas because they were obsessed with rice inflation. Ang hindi nila naintindihan na kapag binitawan mo yung rice industry, sasaluhin niya ng grupo na ang tawag natin rice cartel. It's an informal group of businessmen who agree among themselves. Gaano karaming bigas ang i-release natin sa palengke? Anong presyo? Magkano bili natin ng palay ng farmers? These are the people actually, hindi naman natin sila dinedemonize. They are businessmen and we understand all of their actions. It's all business related. But for government to let go of a very vital industry, which is the staple food of Filipinos, was a big mistake.
Okay,
And there is no argument anymore dito.